No, because of his condition, as you know, he needs support.
He needs support.
So nkaeko nying jani nkafa mba sen.
Yes.
So nga stroke soto 2006 the same year.
So you how long America?
2006.
2006. So you mean you are the first person to have a fish pond here or
in the Gambia?
2006.
Yes, and oyster farming. I'm the first person.
So near Sabate. Okay, this video is about Uncle Seku and his wife Aisatu. Here in Fonyin Demban, there are 10 fish ponds and we are here to harvest 3 because only 3 are in use. So this video is about that harvesting. So keep watching as you get inspired by Uncle Seku and Aisatu.
So my name is Seku Sanya.
Seku Sanya.
Yeah.
Okay, today we are here at your fish pond. Can you tell us when exactly do you start this fish pond?
I started in 2006.
You started in 2006.
Yes.
That was probably a long time ago.
Yeah.
So since 2006 you are here.
Yes.
But you also told me every day. Okay. That's a long time. So you also told me that you have a house around. You used to live around the city.
Yes. Live here for some time. 2 years or 3 years.
Okay.
Yes. Lack of rainy season. My house fall.
Okay.
Yeah. So no way to way. I go home.
You go back home, but you used to live here
Yeah.
for how many years?
For 3 years.
You have a house that you live in for 3 years.
Yes, 3 years. Me alone.
You alone. So after
Yes.
when the house fell during the rainy
Yes.
season, you went back
Yeah.
to the village.
Ni expert olem.
Expert ol.
Agriculture
Walaikum salam.
expert.
Ndole nata ha.
Okay.
What do you do?
Me, I'm at the moment I'm lecturing on the UTG, under the School of Agriculture and Environmental Sciences.
Oh.
So he has been my good collaborator.
Okay.
I have been collaborating with him for quite a long time.
Okay.
In fact, I came to know him in 2010 when I returned from Ghana.
Okay.
His system, farming system, is more or less semi-intensive system, whereby he only supplements the fish. He is not feeding them fully, intensively.
Oh, okay.
Because he is at a very low and cost-effective program. He is doing it by himself.
By himself.
But you know, aquaculture is a continuous process, and you need to maintain and undergo maintenance, do some improvements on certain areas and the like. There are so many things involved in aquaculture, but he is a great man. He is undergoing this semi-intensive system, and also his practice is polyculture. He is mixing different species.
Yeah.
Mainly tilapia and catfish.
Yes, I've seen that.
And he also practices integrated system, whereby a poultry house, as behind us there, a poultry house is built on top of the pond.
The pond, yeah.
That's another system which is so helpful, because you know, the feces droppings from the poultry would fertilize the environment, that is the pond, and then that will encourage the growth of algae. Those algae, the fish would feed on the algae, and the algae would as well generate more oxygen into the pond. So it's quite helpful. These are the systems he has been doing. He has been just taking advantage of his knowledge and the environment. Then he would manipulate, try to provide facilities which are earthen fish ponds that he is using, because the environment, the land or the soil type is clayish, that would retain water, enough water for him to be able to culture his fish into the pond, into that water environment, all throughout the year.
One,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, all of that is from the money that Gambia gave you?
Yes.
In 2015? 2015?
Yes.
Maybe, but somebody might watch this video and maybe link you to the right channel, and somebody you will have help, inshallah.
Inshallah.
I wish that happened, because
Inshallah.
what he is doing here, it's something very inspiring, because if he can able to have up to 10 fish ponds around this area, and he is not getting support from anybody, paralyzed his right leg and the feet is not properly functioning, and he is still struggling to do something like this to support his family. So I think people like him need support.
For me, my part is I do give him technical advice when the need arises, and also he is also helping us, because occasionally I do come with my students from the college and the university. You know, after having taught something in class, they would come and see, to have first-hand information, to see what is on the ground, because some of them have never seen a natural pond, how it looks like, and the layout of the farm. You know, you have a layout, like he has ponds, canals and things like that. You need to also have understanding of the layout. That's why during that networking, which is also another aspect that we collaborate, myself and him.
I see the harvesting this today is not that much. So is that something that you experience every year?
No. Last year, raining is the a floater.
Okay.
Yes, floater. So the fishes go
away.
Yes.
Oh, okay. It floated last year,
yes.
so all the fish went
Yes.
went away. So it means you need somehow need some help here to properly dig and do some proper maintenance here. So kana sikare ala kurulu de what? Yeah, comparing this year's harvest, which is today, and last year, what is the difference?
Yes, the difference is there. Today we don't have it. This one is just small.
We harvested like 2 farms and we have one basket. How many baskets do you have on this particular one pond?
Last year, this one we have 3.
3?
Yes.
That's close to our 100 kilos.
Yes.
So this year we harvested 2 and we have only one basket, which means that's very bad. So what do you think caused that?
I think it's lack of maintenance. You have to remove all the sand and try it again.
and fix it again every
Every year.
you have to do that. So also
Or
this
every
year
2 years. But
every
this one,
2 years. So when was the last time you did that?
yeah, just in 3 years back.
3 years back. So which means this year too you will not be able to do any maintenance.
And it's always spoiled. That one is spoiled. This one also.
So that one is also not working well. Okay, this house here used to be a poultry house, but right now the way it is, it needs some kind of maintenance because you cannot put any chicken here because of the way this place is. So but if maintenance properly, probably maybe the roof and also how the floor is here, he will be able to bring in more birds. If he has some broilers, maybe even 100 can be here at a time. So that will also support him, the family, and also will help him have more fish in the pond to have a better harvest. So we have just harvested like 2 fish ponds already. That's where the poultry house is and the one next to it. So we separated the fish into 2, the bigger ones and also into the smaller ones. For the bigger ones we have like 24 kilo, 24? 24 kilos.
Yeah.
So how much do you sell per kilo? 200. 200 for a kilo. Yeah, it's not that much because as you know, this fish pond has been here since last year because they harvest only once in a year. So coming in at it supports maybe I just demanding even a float of an jury fin la bank.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes. A float nyaming wulatina
Jamatara. Wala naman siya back.
Yes.
Ay. Aku. Ay, what type of help would you need?
The most
Important.
if I build house
Here. Okay.
now, I'll gather all my sheep to come
Here.
here.
Okay, you have a sheep in the house.
Yes.
Okay, you want to bring all of them
Yes.
here? So
All
maybe
here. Yeah. It's the food. Yes.
for the fish.
Yes. Fish.
Oh, okay,
Yes.
okay. Your friend told us that you supplement. Sometimes you bring some food for the fish because but you cannot afford to buy proper feedings.
We need support so that we also we have everybody and say let's go to Ndemba to see the ponds.
Okay, the guy told me that he used to come here with his students to see the farm. So if the farm is no more here because you have no support, which means the students also will not have anywhere to go to see physical fish ponds for themselves. So I think helping them will be very good because if they have like a 10 fish pond here, but only 3 are in use, so the harvest this year is very low because of lack of maintenance. So I think they kind of need a help.
He has the technique, he has the skills, he has been doing it for quite a long time, but because of his condition, as you know, he needs support.
He needs support, of course. What kind of support would come?
Support like financially, he would need some finance so that to improve upon what we has here on the ground. Okay. Recently the ponds need to be rehabilitated, the canals as well. As you move along, you'll observe that some of the canals need to be dig again.
Yeah, dig again because the main canal
widen
there is,
and even you see the pressure of water coming into the pond is very low.
It's very low.
That depends on the canal is the situation of the canal at the moment. So also he has a lot of skill, and I would not like his skills just to be lying dormant. But like one can have some residence somewhere which would be fenced, of course, and very close to the farm, so that it serves also as a security, because when you are closer to the farm, you will be able to have frequent visits to the farm. And you know, at times, even when the farm is isolated, like here, you can have poachers. They could come in your absence and harvest your fish.
And it's very far from the village.
These are all things that we need to look into as some of his challenges that should be addressed.
What about maybe excavator to?
Yes, excavator to, you know, do some excavation, because he has space to have more ponds.
Even the ponds that are here.
But even the ponds here need to be excavated. They need to be
adjusted a bit.
Yeah. So that's our intention. These are all challenges that he is facing at the moment.
Thank you for watching today's video. As you already seen, we have harvested 3 fish ponds in this area, and it's owned by Uncle Seku and his wife Aisatu, and it has been an amazing day. We're here since in the morning, but the result is not that much impressive according to them compared to last year, because of lack of maintenance in the fish pond. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel as I bring you more inspiring videos like Uncle Seku's. Thank you for watching. Peace.